guys, Sean here from Sport Travel, and today we are talking queen beds versus double beds. A lot of times, when making requests, we're going to ask for double rooms, and that's 2 beds in 1 room. This is great, but we also need to consider if you need a queen versus just a double bed. Obviously, you guys know the difference. Queen bed is just going to give you a little bit more space. This is really going to come into play when we're trying to fit in multiple people in that same room. So if a team is looking to put multiple players in a room, so up to say 4 players in a room, in some circumstances we can get up to 6, but some of these suite properties with 2 queen beds plus a pull-out couch, something like that. But for the most part, if we're looking to put in 4, save on the budget there, we should really be looking at queen beds, simply for the fact that there's more room. Players need a good night rest. A twin bed may be fine if there's a 1 person per bed policy. So a lot of our collegiate teams have this type of policy set by the NCAA or their school, that they can only put 1 player per bed. So a twin bed may be totally fine there. A twin bed may also work if it's mom and a smaller kid, so 4 or 5 years old, traveling for your tournament or competition. That might work out just fine. If we're comparing direct, twin versus queen, that twin should be a little bit less, but there's lots of other factors that we're going to need to consider in terms of the rate, so it may not always work out perfectly like that, but that's generally what we're looking at. So again, double rooms are great, but if there's certain considerations we need to take, please be aware that a double queen may be a better option for the team as opposed to just a double bed. Thank you very much. I hope that gives you some helpful information, and we will talk to you again soon. Thank you.